Hey, what's up? I am just watching some mukbang videos, but as I was watching them, I came across this guy and I'm just super disturbed, man. Super disturbed.
Hey everybody, it's
This
me,
guy.
Nick Avocado. And today we are going to be comparing Olive Garden to Cheesecake Factory. Oh, thank you.
And if you didn't know, this guy, like, he does mukbangs, but, like, he looks like a totally different person from what he used to look when he first started out. More Nikocado. Like, seriously, let's look it up. More Nikocado picture. Look for images. See, yeah, look. Look at this. Before and after. Oh my goodness. He used to be skinny. Look at that. Look at that. So, like, mukbangs is cool and all, but my goodness, if you don't work out, if you have terrible metabolism, like, is he okay? Yeah, I don't know, man. This guy's weird. But anyway, let's go back to here. Let's skip through to where he starts eating.
I love you too.
Look at this.
I love you both. Okay, let's do this one first. Listen to that.
It doesn't look that delicious. I mean,
oh, I love fettuccine alfredo.
this is really.
There I go.
Oh yeah. Yeah, never mind. I'm done. Cancel that guy. But this girl, eat with Pocky. Pocky. She's amazing, man. Straight to the point, eating. That's all we want to see. Those noises, whatever that is, ASMR. Look at that. She's all of it. My goodness. It's crazy. See, I want to do this. Quarantine, I want to stay skinny and just eat it. Yes, sir. Yeah, I subscribe. I put the bell notifications on because this is amazing. Just wanted to share my mukbang experience. So, yeah, let's go, man.